Squarespace has this really cool feature known as an author bio, where at the end of a blog post, it can display a photo, a name, and a description about who created the content. But creating a new author bio in Squarespace, I found the process isn't as intuitive as I'd hoped it would be, so I recorded this tutorial video to teach you exactly how to do this on your own. I'm Becca from Inside the Square, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a contributor who can add content to your Squarespace website and creating an author profile so you can use the author bio feature. Yes, those are two totally different things. Now, in this video, I'm going to share my screen with you so I can show you how to do this step by super simple step. Let's go ahead and get started. Here we are inside Squarespace, and just like I mentioned, author versus editor are two different things, and you'll likely want both, so we're going to add both in this tutorial. On the left-hand side of my screen, I'm going to click on this gear icon to open my settings menu. Then I'll select permissions and ownership. Now, if your menu does not look like mine, press the / key on your keyboard and search for permissions so you can navigate there directly. Once you're here, select Invite Contributor. This is how you can actually add someone to edit the content on their own, so they can log into Squarespace and add those blog posts themselves. You'll need to list their name and their email address, and then scrolling down here, toggle on Website Editor. I also recommend toggling on Comment Moderator if you want them to manage comments for their own blog post. Again, this will give someone permission to edit the website content themselves. This is not exclusive for blogs, but it's the only way to give someone the ability to create their own blog post without you having to manually do it. Once you've selected Website Editor and Comment Moderator if you'd like to, click Invite and they'll receive an email to access the Squarespace website. Now, after you've invited a contributor, you should also add a basic author. These are two different things. So if I click Add Basic Author, this is a name that I attribute to content like a blog post. Basic authors don't need an account because they won't log into Squarespace, and you'll need to manually assign them to a blog post to say that they made it. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's go ahead and add my dog Hank. He's a great dog, and I bet he'd come up with some fantastic content. We'll make his display name Hank, and we can add his profile here for his first name, his last name, and then we can also list a URL. Personally, I don't list a URL in the author bio because I add it manually to the bio itself right here. Here I've added some text for Hank's bio. We can take any of this text and we have a basic editor to make it bold, italicized, or underlined, however you'd like to format that text. It will be designed to match the paragraph text on your Squarespace website. You'll notice I have a sentence down here that says connect with him on LinkedIn or Instagram. This is where I prefer to add links. I'm going to highlight the word Instagram, the whole word, there we go, and I'll click on this link option, type in the URL and select apply. Then I can do the same thing here for LinkedIn, typing the URL, selecting apply, and instantly we'll see that these are active links here inside his bio. Now we have Hank the dog, we have information and customized links that are more descriptive than just a general text link. I'll go ahead and select save. And what we're going to do is hop into a blog post and make Hank the author of our latest blog post. Closing our settings, I'm going to navigate to my Pages menu, and I'll select the Squarespace blog example here on my website. Let's give Hank credit for writing blog post title 2. We'll click on these 3 dots to open up the settings for that individual blog post. Then if we scroll down on this content section past the post URL, you'll see author. Here, we can choose Hank from the list and select save. Now, when we open up blog post title 2, we'll see written by Hank at the top, and if we scroll down, we'll see Hank's bio as well as his clickable links. Now, customizing this bio is something we can do with code, and I have a separate tutorial with more information about it. You'll find that link directly underneath this video. I'm Becca from Inside the Square, and I hope you found this overview helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments, and if you have any questions about Squarespace, let me know in the comments. I'd love to help. I've also included some links in the description, just in case you want to learn more about all the cool things that Squarespace can do, because I've got a lot to teach you. Thanks again for tuning in, and most importantly, have fun with your Squarespace website. Bye for now. From step-by-step tutorials like this one to free creative codes and more, find everything you need to make Squarespace uniquely yours at InsideTheSquare.co. That's InsideTheSquare.co.